So QR codes have become hugely adopted and popular since 2020. People like using them, they're used to using them, and they appreciate using them. So take advantage of this and integrate QR codes into your marketing strategy. Let's talk about 5 tips on how you can do that. So tip number 1 is to determine where the QR code should go. So what landing page or page on your site, or where do you want the user to end up when they use the QR code? Think about that. What's that destination? Figure out what that URL is. Tip 2 is to take that URL and to create a trackable URL from it. So let me walk you through how to do that. One way to do this is to add a simple ref code to the end of your URL. To do this, simply add $ref equals, followed by whatever you feel will help you clearly identify the campaign. For example, our website is marketing360.com. So if I created a QR code for a TV commercial, I might create a URL with a ref code at the end like this: marketing360.com/ref equals TV_commercial. Then whenever someone searches that QR code, it would take them to marketing360.com with that ref code included in the URL like you're seeing here. By doing this, you're able to have the URL with the ref code included in it so that you can track the performance of that URL and ref code specifically. This is a really important step because you're going to want to track the performance of your QR code, and without doing this, you won't be able to do that. Tip 3 is to generate your QR code. So how you do this is simple. There's tons of free QR code generators out there. Just go to Google and search QR code generator and you'll find a number of tools. Pick one that you like, that you're comfortable with. Use the trackable URL, paste that in there, and generate the QR code. By doing this, the QR code will fire that URL that you created when somebody uses it. Tip 4, once you've generated your QR code, download that image and add it to your marketing materials or your ad campaign so that it's in your TV commercial or on your flyer or wherever you want it to be so somebody can use it. Generate that QR code and then put that asset into your marketing materials and into your ad so people can use the QR code. And tip 5, last tip, is to track the performance of your QR code over time in analytics. So within analytics, because you created that trackable URL, you'll be able to see the performance. You'll be able to see how many people use the QR code, how many people landed on your landing page, how long they stayed, if they converted, if they became a lead, if they made a purchase, everything. That's the beauty of using the trackable URL. Now you can track the performance of things like print materials, flyers, direct mailers, TV commercials, brand campaigns of all sorts. By using your QR code, you can then track the performance if you use the trackable URL. So hopefully these tips were helpful with your QR code marketing and you start testing some of these strategies in your marketing campaigns, tracking the performance and making slight changes and adjustments over time to drive more results and a better ROI for your business. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, leave more comments. If you have additional QR code marketing tips and hacks, we'd love to see it. Other than that, have a great day and happy marketing.